Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. The chapter on profit and loss is going on and I hope you are enjoying all the short tricks which I have been posting in the previous videos, and obviously this one, which is a very interesting and very commonly asked question in quant exams. The topic which I am going to take up is finding the selling price when there is loss. So initially there is loss at a particular selling price, but we want some profit. So what should be the selling price to gain? That is what is the question. So at a selling price there is loss. So what should be the selling price to get a profit? Those kind of questions are really common in these quant exams. This topic is actually a part of the chapter number 2, shortest tricks for profit and loss. That is the title of the chapter of the volume 2 of our short tricks books. And I hope you have seen this ebook of short tricks where we have given all these short tricks in a simplified form. And if you want to get a copy of this ebook of short tricks on your email at a very nominal cost, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. All these details which I have written here are contained in the description of this video as well. So friends, let's first understand what trick we are going to use, and once you know the trick, you know what to do in the questions. Application is not at all going to be a problem. So I'll show you one type of question before I come to this concept used in the trick, so that you get hold of the concept and then start applying them directly to solve the questions in 10 seconds only. Yes, only 10 seconds, no formulas, no equations, and you get to the answer. That's the speed we are intending to create in you. So friends, let's see this question and then I'll go back to the concept. A pen stand. So it's a huge pen stand, maybe some jewels are fitted in it. So rupees 4,680 was the selling price, and still it was getting a loss of 12%. Now we want to sell it and we want to find what is the selling price so that we earn a profit of 18%. Now that is the question. So I'll go back to the concept of the trick. So there is a original SP which is given in the question, and this original SP is giving us a particular loss percent. Now we need to find the final SP, right? And we want to get a particular profit percent. Now this is the statement. What are we given? The original SP, the loss percent, and the required profit percent. We want to find the final selling price. Do you know this can be done so very easily? The final SP you can find out by taking the original SP, I'll write OSP, original selling price, multiply that by 100. Now this 100 is a mandatory term, plus whatever profit percent you require here, profit percent, and in the denominator just do the 100 again, and I have to consider this loss percent. Loss is always subtracted from 100, so this is minus loss percent, and you will see what happens when we do this. You will get the answer to the question directly. Let me show you how. Here the answer for the selling price or the final selling price, FSP, will be 4680 was the OSP, that is original selling price, followed by 100. Now comes the important thing, you have to add the profit percent. Now for the first one, the profit is 18%, so we will write 18 here, and in the denominator it will be 100 minus the loss percent. Loss is 12, so 12%. Now this is the calculation which we have to do. So just to simplify and make it easier for you, I have already solved it. So 4680 times 118 upon 100, 100 minus 12 is 88. So let's get rid of this, not required. This is 88. Now if you do this calculation, you will get your answer in rupees, and obviously your answer will be more than 4680. You are increasing the selling price because you want to gain something. Now that answer is 6275.45. This is the final selling price of the item. Likewise, if you see, there is a cupboard which is sold for this. So if we have to find FSP, take the original selling price OSP 25380 times, now I'll do directly 100 plus profit percent. The profit percent required is 14%, so 114, and in the denominator 100 minus loss, 100 minus 6% loss, that is 94. And when you solve this, you will get 30780, which is the answer for the question. 30780. So at this price, it was giving a loss of 6%. So if we sell at this price, we will get a gain of 14%. Likewise, you know that the examiners are not testing you for huge calculations. They are giving you the concepts. So they want to test whether concept clarity is there or not. So let's see the third one. Here you have a bag costing 6480. Now this is the original selling price. So if I want to find the FSP, the final selling price, I have to multiply it by 100 plus what is the first thing and what should be the final profit. Wants a profit of 20%. So what are we going to do? We are going to do 100 plus 20%, that is 120. This is final selling price and final profit, okay? And in the denominator now there is a change. Initially when it was being sold for 6480, it was still making a profit of 8%. So in the denominator, it is not 100 minus 8% now. Because it is profit, it will be added to 100 to give you 108 in the denominator. Now see, the concept should be very, very clear. You should know what is going on in the question, okay? Now, 108, if you do 8 times, it should be very close to this actually. So I've solved it already for you. This will come out to be rupees 7,200. That is the answer for the question. Likewise, if you see this question, here you have the OSP, the original selling price, as 19760, and there was a loss of 20%, so 100 minus 20, 80 in the denominator, and profit of 25%, so 125 in the numerator. This will give you the final selling price of whatever item is there, right? And this comes out to be 30875. See, friends, if you know the trick, you know the answer, and there is no need to actually make long equations and use huge formulas. It is all about being smart in the exams, and quant exams are no longer going to be a trouble for you. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends who are struggling in profit and loss concepts. And if you want to get a copy of that ebook of short tricks, my WhatsApp number 9896369963. That's the WhatsApp number. Send me a message now. Do share this video with all your friends. Do subscribe our YouTube channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and don't forget to click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications on the mobile itself. Do practice 30-40 such questions of previous year exams and let me know in the comments below, is it working for you? All the best.